Hello student, I am Assistant Professor Miss S. Vijakta from DG College of Commerce Satara. Today I am going to start Unit 3rd Working Capital. In this unit we will see the concept of working capital. First, what is working capital? Working in ordinary sense, the working capital denotes the amount of funds needed for meeting day-to-day operation of a concern. Working capital, generally working capital refers to the current asset of a company that are changed from one form to another form in the ordinary course of business, that is cash to inventory, inventory to work in progress, WIP, or work in progress to finished goods, finished goods to receivables, and from receivable to cash. So this is all about meaning of working capital. It means working capital is the amount of funds needed for meeting day-to-day operations of a concern. Second, definition of working capital. The definition of working capital is here. The working capital refers to that part of firm's capital which is required for financing short-term or current assets such as marketable securities, debtors, and inventories. Means here funds invested into current asset keep revolving fast and are constantly converted into cash, and these cash flow out again in exchange for other current asset. Means here working capital is also known as revolving or circulating capital or short term capital. Working capital is the capital used for running day to day operations and of a business. Commonly the gap between the current asset and current liabilities is called as working capital. Means here working capital is the capital used for running day to day business operations, and it is a gap between current asset and current liability. Means working capital is to be calculated by the current asset minus current liabilities. Current liabilities are less from the current asset. The current asset here formula is given: working capital is equal to current asset less current liabilities. Current asset include cash and bank balance, account receivable, inventory, or any other current asset which can be liquidated within a period of year, 1 year. Similarly, current liabilities are liabilities that are due for payment within period of 1 year. So here next concept is gross working capital. Gross working capital means here it refers to the current asset available with the business. Current asset available with the business. Means here are many prevalent definition of working capital for a different context. The purpose proposes. Let's first definition is gross working capital. So gross working capital means it refers to the current assets available with the business. It is called gross working capital because the contribution of current liabilities in reducing the overall working capital need is not considered here. Means here only considers total current asset. So gross working capital is equal to total current asset. Next, net working capital. Net working capital, it is another concept of working capital. Net working capital means when gross working capital is reduced by the amount of current liabilities available with the business. It is called as net working capital. And this is the most common definition represented by net working capital is equal to current asset less current liabilities. And next, third concept is net operating working capital. So net operating working capital, the concept of net operating working capital is similar to net working capital, means current asset minus current liabilities. The only difference is that it considers only the operating current liabilities and operating current asset for determining the net operating working capital. Net operating working capital is equal, formula is given, net operating working capital is equal to operating current asset less operating current liability. Here the question rises in mind that what are the non-operating current asset or non-operating current liabilities. Non-operating current asset are those assets which are non-operating current asset are those assets which are not used for the core operation of the business. And on the similar ground, non-current liabilities are those liabilities which are not related to the core operation of the business. Means non-current operating current asset includes marketable securities, cash in excess of operating requirements, and other current investment not used for the core operations. So this is the meaning of operating current asset or non-operating current asset or non-operating current liabilities, because here the formula is given, non-operating working capital is equal to operating current asset less operating current liability. So this is a definition of net operating working capital. And next is here current asset, means in this concept working capital, we will see the meaning of working capital is the funds required for day-to-day operation, or working capital is equal to a current asset minus current liabilities. So what is current asset or current liabilities? The working capital is composed of various current asset and current liabilities. So these current assets are as follows. The current asset means these assets are generally realized within a short period of time, that is within 1 year. Means here current asset are those assets which are generally realized within a short term period of time, that is within 1 year. And current asset include here cash and cash equivalents, raw material, inventory, short term investment, account receivable, prepaid expenses. These are the current asset, means these assets are generally realized within a short period of time, within 1 year. And cash and things of a company can cash in within a year. So here examples are given of current asset. Current asset includes inventories or stock, and the raw material, work in progress, consumable stores, finished goods. Second, sundry debtors, bills receivable, prepayments, short term investment, accrued income, and cash and bank balances. These are the example of current assets. So next concept is current liabilities, because here while calculating the working capital, current liabilities are less from the current assets. So current asset means those assets which are convertible into cash within 1 year. And current liabilities, what is current liabilities, or which are the current liabilities? Here current liabilities are those which are generally paid in the ordinary course of business within a short period of time, that is short period means 1 year 12 months. And current liabilities includes account payable, wages payable, payroll taxes payable, sales tax payable, income tax payable, short term loans, and customer deposit. Another examples are given here. Current liabilities includes sundry creditors, bills payable, accrued expenses, bank overdrafts, bank loans. Here bank loans means short term loans, not long term. Proposed dividend, short term loans, and tax payment due. These are the example of current assets. So in this lecture or in this units, the concept we have already seen the working capital. Working capital means day to day funds required for day to day operations, and here calculation of working capital, calculated working capital with the help of current asset and current liabilities. Means here current liabilities are less from the current assets. So in this next lecture we will see the other determinants of working capital. So thank you.